doing. Namuti Tristo Loku. Then you will see these nurses, they will put their dresses up, show the females, and they'll be whining their waist. Hey, what do you mean when this campaign grounds as a nightclub be more? I'm happy to announce to you. Say yeah, nurses. Yeah, nurses. Aha. John Mama, John Mama, John Mama, John Mama, John Mama, Onapu. Oh, dear, Sempa Nabu. Asempa Nabu. 24-hour economy. Oh, the Asempa Nabu. Asempa Nabu. 24-hour economy. It was for our second topic, our beloved nurses, our dear nurses, our lovely nurses. They are in the news. And now 18th August 2025, join news. Coalition of unpaid nurses and midwives demand payment of 7-month salary arrears. Oh, the Asempa Nabu, Asempa Nabu, 24-hour economy. Our nurses. Abai, John Mahama, Abaya Abano. We told Ghanaians said they are not new. Huh? We told Ghanaians. We have seen them before. We told Ghanaians. We told you that John Mahama did not have a baptism of fire over the past 8 years that have changed him into any other stuff or any other being. He is still the same. He is still the same. Just rebranded. With makeup foundation also. And you would think say yes or assistant, but on sister. Didn't we tell our nurses? We told our nurses. We told our teachers. But they did not listen. They did not listen. They were replying us with quen. Oh, the Asempa Nabu. Asempa Nabu. 24-hour economy. Just 8 months of John Mahama. Just 8 months of John Mahama. You are forming coalition again. A coalition where we will all help NDC to dissolve it, to dismantle it. See, nobody should form any coalition. They have not paid your salary for 7 months. And you are talking. But don't you know we all use the money to rent private jets for Grandma Jane, to rent from UK coming back to Ghana when she recovered. You people don't know. Don't pay anybody. It's time to sacrifice. Why are you people not Ghanaians? You should be Ghanaians. You should be patriotic. We are all contributing money to ensure that communication, the presidency is up to date, that journalists are sorted. So UNS, why should we require salary? We want journalists to be sorted as a country. Journalists are the ones supposed to be paid so they can carry out good headline. See, it's too early for these things, oh. This red band around your necks and all those things, press conferences, is too early. This coalition things is too early. Don't even start it. Don't even think about it yet. Don't. Train kakra. Na your mama oba. Say na say an oba. Say 88 months umpe. And I'm your coalition. Come on, no to mukope bebintina. Coalition of unpaid nurses and midwives demand payment of 7-month arrears. And your mama, His Excellency, Ora Fra Staff House no pay from January till now when Tuamuka. From January. We told you this same man who was in power, people work for 2 years, 3 years. They were given only 3 months salary. Didn't we tell you? We told you. You were telling us, oh, the Asempa Nabu, 24-hour economy. That's what you were telling us. And MPP for the more discounty, when we say Mama Ba, or back to more too much now, Musi, Alawano, Yajin to Esana Mukajre. After 8 months and 7 months, Muse coalition. We told you under Mama 1.0. That is when we heard of something like Unemployed Graduate Association. That's what we told you. When we told you, you were telling us, John Mama, John Mama, John Mama, John Mama. That's what we were doing. Tamuti Crystal Loco. Then you will see these nurses, they will put their dresses up, show the females, and they'll be whining their waist. Hey, what do you mean when this campaign grounds as a nightclub be more? We say, hey, Nagana for pa. Have you forgotten say Akufo-Addo that brought back your alawa and all those things? Eh? And then me shinkra omone Mahama is a hope. He gives you hope. He's a hope for Madagana. Hope no 7 months and pay salary. Mamika sembichirem. Any lady who is listening to me, if you are dating a nurse who has not been paid over the past 7 months, break up with him. Break up with him. Wow, yeah, Obabia, who dating nurses, bia, yen chanuka over the past 7 months. Breaking a kuman so count. Me na make them. Yeah, I would defend you if any issue. If you don't get a man, I will look for a fine man from voter region for you. Yes. As a lady, you must be taken care of by your husband, by your boyfriend. And to who dating next, be I will say, oh, Oniska, Adena Oniska, say Omuntiano, Intina Oniska. Must leave that kind of relationship. Mr. BJ, show rough. Yes. Leave that relationship in 10. Don't suffer with any nurse who has not been paid. Now, what also we Bema our girlfriend? ANS. Now, they be a Bema Kwan this kaba. Adentia or see Yentiano Sky no. Massa, let that woman go. She's a parasite. What if you are dating any nurse, a female nurse? Who will come and tell you that the government is owing her 7 months salary. That's why she's always asking you for money. She's asking you for money for sanitary pad, money for COSE, money. Break up with her, let her go. Please, this is not a time to sympathize or empathize with anybody who government is owing money. And Akufo-Addo, have you ever heard that nurses were being owed for 7 months? Have you ever heard? We told you. So, coalition of unpaid nurses, please go and dissolve that thing and give us peace of mind. The president is thinking about important stuff. We are thinking about where to get money and buy the next consignment of sanitary pads to go and throw in the air. So don't come and use your reggae to disturb our high life. Penny, we will not allow anybody to disturb the peace of mind of our president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We will not allow that. We are looking for money to go and buy new helicopters. So nurses' salary is on what is important to us. Please. We are looking for money for helicopters. We are even thinking about how to do fundraising for money for helicopters. After the Musi saying. Musi price of kokonte has reduced. And yes, sir. And to kokonte ra no na muko sanchire na o ma kokonte. Second king is second king 2 cedis. And yes, sir. Na mo salary dey there. Say full no about 1 cedi. And yes, sir. So why are you asking for salary? Mr. President, don't pay them any money. So that is about our nurses.